1, 2, 3, 4. And here, as you can see, there are pages with this name: tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, and different other pages. So for example, I want to edit this tab 1 and insert my own information. So I'm clicking here, edit content. For example, I do want to change this name, my best, yes, yeah, like below that. Yeah, you can put, order it here. You can call us now. And on the left side, as you can see, there is a toolbox where can you insert, for example, image. You can insert links. You can click to call number. You can insert. You can embed a video from YouTube. You can put MP3 somehow. So we have really a lot of features. So you can customize this one, save it, and done. Also, you can, for example, add new page. We have really different page types. For example, there are many HTML page types right here. Very nice one. We have menu page types. Please pay attention that we added some new menu pages. Like for example, this one we added 1 month ago. This one, this one, this one. So yeah, we are making on a regular basis we are adding some new features, some new pages, some new template. Also, you can, for example, make audio stream calculator. You can form radio stream. So you can spend some time and test it and see what we do here. We have geo pages types, very cool one for images. Social page types like connecting with Facebook, with LinkedIn, with Twitter, YouTube, and we have different scan page types like coupon, loyalty pages. This is for offline businesses. Also, we added like 1 month ago or 2 months ago a barcode scanner. We have, for example, book page types. For example, you can make your own books and make this as like application. For example, you can upload your PDF file and make later on with this page types application. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different game page types where you can make some very primitive and simple games. So again, you can spend some time here and see what you need for your application. Okay, for example, as you can see, so we have really a lot of different options here. In my previous webinars, I also showed you one very cool trick how to make very fast applications. Let me make a new application to show you how to do this. Okay, let's go to the last. Okay, yeah, this one page, application template is very good one, RSS reader. Let's click this one. Yes, I'm clicking done. For example, let's say that I want to make application regarding, I don't know, about Madonna, pop singer. So I will click tab 1. this one page type to, excuse me, I clicked the wrong button. This one, convert page type, and I am going to use down, yes, this one, RSS page type, this one. Here you go, and as you can see, there is RSS URL. I can click right here and YouTube, for example, and make a search query and click Madonna get feed. And here you go. We do have already first page with videos for Madonna, as you can see. Yep. So it will be like, for example, I will put click save. Done. So let's first, for example, page will be with videos. Second one, I can also make RSS with some news, for example, also from like from news from Yahoo, or for example, does Madonna exist in Twitter? So you can click here and get feed, and here you go, will be latest news about regarding Madonna right here. And tab 3, for example, with images again, and tab 4, it will be some like contact form where your users can contact you. So as you can see, we like in 2 minutes we created not bad application. Sure, you can spend some more time with that, but I just wanted to show you that within like a couple minutes you can make very easily one application. So in general, like say our application is ready, and to finish it you need only to go to App Store properties right here. You need to put right here put information like application name, story description, and upload your application icon. Also you need to go to section app multimedia and upload your icon with different others, and splash screen. This is like with different sizes as well. And at the end you need only to click right here, publish. When you are clicking at publish, you are coming to such a message where we are asking you to send us a support ticket with your nickname in our system and name of application which you want to publish. And really within a couple hours we are approving your application and you will be ready to publish to whatever you want marketplace. Also another trick which I want to show you, that for example we created this application for iPhone, and now when you click and duplicate, you can select another platform where you want to publish. I don't know why it's not working at this moment, but when you can click and show, for example, like to publish this for Android or Kindle, and when you click duplicate, another application for Android will be ready like within like application is ready for iPhone, you can easily duplicate it for Android or for Kindle devices, and just like in 10-15 minutes you have 3 different multi-platform applications. So it is really very easy to use this system, and we do have different tutorials here if you have problem. Also, we do have like video tutorials where we're showing how you can make this application. Now, just one more thing which I want to mention is about here with application is this section is push notification. Because push notification is like similar to SMS messages where you want to send notification about something new. For example, you can send notification regarding new update with your application, or you want to send information regarding like special offer. And right now we're witnessing that many of my companies like pizzerias, restaurants are using push notifications for marketing. It is really very easy to send to all your users regarding some extra sale or like special discount with the price. For example, you want to like order 2 pizza and get the third one free right now during the next 3-4 hours. So this is really something a very good one system to work with. And for example, when you are making applications, you can make like 100 applications and you can send push notification to all your users. You are having like a very huge database of your users, and you can, for example, promote your another applications to them as well. And right now you can see that within like a couple minutes you can make application. It is time to think about your application business, particular about your application networks, because you can really create hundreds and hundreds of applications, and bigger your network is, it is way easy for you to promote your new applications and get more revenue from all your applications. And you saw that we just created one application for 3-4 different platforms like within a couple of minutes, and that means that we got already 4 applications. And let's say you will do every single day 1 applications. That means that in 30 days you will have 30 applications, and as you can see, you can duplicate them to different platforms. So in 30 days you can have really very easily 120 applications, live applications in marketplaces, right? And 120 applications is really huge number and great start for your application network, for your application business. And as you can see, it is really possible to do that. Also, I want to mention that when I started my own application business, I concentrated all my apps only for iPhone. And as you can see, situation on the market is changing so fast right now. So you really, please don't miss opportunities with Android and Kindle devices. Big companies with big games, they always, like for example, like Angry Birds, Fruit Ninja, Cut the Rope, they do have their game for each device, for each market, for Kindles, for Android, for iPhone, and that's why I don't miss another markets with potential customers, especially when our system does allow to do this very easily. And I bet that many of you right now do have I see that you can make very easily applications, but where to get ideas for all those applications, where to start. Let me show you just very quickly information regarding where you can really start application business today and your network. And for that we need to go to play.google.com, which is, okay, hold on, something's going on with my browser. I'm sorry guys. Okay. Let me open another browser. Here you go. This is Android marketplace, one of the biggest ones, which is situated with Google. Let's wait a little bit. And today is July month. Within couple months already, like, we are not far away actually from December, where the biggest Christmas seasons will come. So, for example, I will type Christmas recipes, and I will click search. What's going on? I'll try to Right now it's not working in my browser, so I'm sorry guys about this technical problems. I'll try again. Basically, you can do this by yourself when you go to Google Play Marketplace and, for example, search for Christmas recipes, and you will search many different applications. And for example, when you come to some application, why I do like to use Marketplace from Android is because when you go it, you can see some data from 1,000 guys already installed. And right here there is installs which shows per month. So for example, this application already got 50 to 100,000. And yes, game, but you can search for recipes and you will find that very small applications with recipes are getting like 100,000 downloads per month, very easy. And recipes is very hot market. There are so many ways to go with it, like chicken recipes, barbecue American recipes, French, Italian, vegetarian, and let's go on and go on. Another great idea to go with is with different celebrities, for example, like with Eminem, with Madonna, as I already mentioned. Another idea is with movies, because movies are, excuse me guys, are also a very huge market as well to go with. So you can also go with different sports team, with home improvement, with funny photos, funny videos, and actually let's go on and go on. And really so many ideas to start with, and you can really make 100 apps with 30 days. And that is where we come into another questions about like how to make money with apps. The easiest way to make money is to use different networks, and two biggest bundle network at this moment is iAds from Apple and AppsMoment from Google. And yes, appsmoment.com does support all those networks, and with them, and you can go, for example, to show that you can go to application settings, and as you can see, you can insert here add mob. You can go to page settings, and right here you can select add banners where you want to put, for example, add mob at bottom or at top. You can select add banners right here and put, for example, that for this page you want to put add mob at top, at another page at bottom, this one right here. So you can customize in different ways. And also we do support another very great network, which is RevMob, which does shows pop-up, and we have different great case studies. For example, you can get $15 per 1,000 downloads of your applications. So, and our members already decided to use this way to monetize their apps, and during the last 2-3 months, some of them created 200 and 300 apps, and we do have one member which did even 500 applications during first one single month. So yes, that is very possible that you can start your app business today and make money like on the next day when your application will be published. So this is the first method. When you're making different, like hundreds of applications, you are using ad networks, your application is free one, and when your users will download application, from single time when they will use, they are getting money from banner advertising. And the second way is huge one income, and actually recurring income, is providing application services to local companies. And that is with building applications for local businesses, and numbers of users which are using this method are not so big one, but the market is a huge one. Huge potential is actually over there with local business companies, and to get new customers from this mobile traffic inside applications. At another hand, it is way easy to start with offline applications. For offline owners, it is very easy to create applications for them. As I said, very huge market and a very great recurring income, because you can charge money for them for updating their applications and for hosting and for push notification as well, which I will talk about that a little bit later on. And really tons and tons of local companies don't have the applications at all, and you can help them. As I said at the beginning of the webinar, right now situation reminds me when we had .com area like 10-15 years ago. Right now is the same, when every company are thinking about to have applications. Just think about, in a couple years, nobody will use their computers. Every person will use their mobile phones or different tablets to be online. So that means that mobile traffic is the number one, which is going to be very shortly. And if you have application, you can reach your customers, you can brand yourself, and you can communicate with them very easily. So that is why I want to pay more close time in discuss of this opportunity for you guys. So again, try to work with offline companies in your area, and you will be amazed by the results. By the way, this is like a couple last 2 months we created some new, which you can find right here. This one is Cuisine, very great template to work with restaurants and different cafeterias where you can accept orders online from this application. Also, we do have like this pizzeria with rate 1 for offline. This one is very nice one in my business. So spend some time and you will find service. So let's continue. And another questions will be, okay, which companies, local companies to target. And list is go on because you can start with restaurants, bars, pizzeria. You can work with nightclubs, with hairdresser, with real estate agents, with chiropractors, hotels, spas, different colored dealerships. Even we do have a special template for car dealership application. With golf courses, we also do have a special template for that. Even with churches and schools, where you can donate application and you can make a publicity about that. You can put some like news about that in your local newspaper or media. And what you want to input inside those applications for offline companies is like home tag, tell a friend, coupon page, GPS, loyalty page, image. You can find wall, call to ask, tab, website, YouTube video. As you can see, list go on and go on. So as you can see, in my opinion, at this moment there are two best ways to monetize apps. The first one is with banner advertisement, where you have hundreds of apps, and the second one with offline companies. Again, don't forget that we do have a very great tutorial session, which is right here, and we are adding more and more tutorials over there. And sure, if you have any questions, you can shoot us support right here system, which is providing answers within like 24 hours for sure for all your questions. And also, yes, personally, I do see more great income opportunities, as I said, with created applications for offline customers, and many of them do know that push notification, what is push notification is, and they do want to use it for connected with their customers. And at this moment, push notifications are widely considered to be the most cost-effective form for mobile marketing. It is cheaper than SMS, like 10 times more than emails, and push notification arrive virtually instantly on all users' smartphones. Also, push notifications get open rate is nearly like 98% within like 15 minutes, and can only be sent through apps published on Google Play or on the App Store, period. But that is one statement that it is was only before. The good news is that with using AppsMoment, we do have a special service which is unbranded previewer, unbranded push notifications. Let me open it, and I want to show you a little bit more. This, as you can see, you can type this URL appsmoment.com/push.html. This is where you can send your branded push notification marketing platform, which enables your clients to send push notifications to their customers without them having their own mobile. In fact, they don't even need to have a mobile website at all. This is service which we created is very similar to I will try to find it. Alert Rocket. Yeah, it is right here. Yeah, to the main difference is that you can see the prices here is starting with like 200, even 49, but this is you are using their own brand, Alert Rocket. So if you want to have unbranded system, the price is coming to like $1,000 per month. Very ridiculous and very high price. So feel free to check what is Alert Rocket. This is a special way for business owners to send push notifications using just a mobile website or even a QR code. And as I said, the price right here at Alert Rocket is very ridiculous high one. And let's go back to our system. So how does it work? Firstly, what you need to do is with push notifications is you need to create very generic applications. For example, you can make like My Town promotions applications. Later on, you need to set up accounts. Later on, you need to make a landing page for your clients, and that's it, sending push notifications. And as I said, all information regarding this unbranded system, unique one actually, it is situated right here at this URL. And this is only actually for those people who really want to care about to work with offline business owners. And the price, we do provide very low one. It is $17 per month push notification unbranded system, which is only under your brand name, or you are going to pay $177 per year right here. Search information and read it more carefully right here. This information regarding push notification unbranded one we provided last month, and those people who jump into this world, thanks to those ones which already joined this system. Again, if you want to Apps Moment, you also can find information regarding our prices right here. Again, we try to make the best prices on the market. You can start with like $29 per month, where you can make unlimited applications, you can make unlimited updates, you can make unlimited push notifications, and you can make all on all different platforms and even mobile websites. Also, you can choose annual packages, which is this one, this price, $49, where you can create 5 apps, or you can choose an annual unlimited package for only $197, and you saving $159. I also mentioned that our platform does support that you can create mobile websites, and that is you can go to tutorial section and right down, scroll down. This is mobile website with our system. So we made all different system in one place, so you can make everything in one place. Now, also I mentioned at the beginning of our webinar that I found a couple of weeks ago one idea where I really see a great potential, where you can make one application and make like $1,000 per month recurring income. And idea is very simple one, but very huge one. It is also connected with offline business. So let me show you everything by example. And here is a great example for that. I found this website, which is myshopper.app.com, and what it is doing, just think about that every big city does have a chamber of commerce, right? And every chamber of commerce has like thousand and thousand customers inside. So you can make application for your local chamber of commerce, and you can say to them that they can join their companies to put inside that application. And for example, to put inside one company, you can put some prices. For example, you can see right here what is this application is doing. For example, business member. There are 3 different ways to work with. For example, the startup price, features price, and premium one. So you can see preview, yes, how it works. This is standard listing. This is like if I'm not wrong, the standard price here is like $10 per month. Featured one like close to $40 per month. And premium one is also a very high one. So one chamber, you can also share your revenue with Chamber of Commerce, your local one. And so this is like kind of like yellow pages, but local one which is connected with your local Chamber of Commerce. So this application, I see a great potential, and each city does really has a Chamber of Commerce, and you can put over there new section with updates from Chamber of Commerce, so they will be happy with like some conference, and you can make this one for iPhone, for Android, also devices, so you will have a cross. So again, I think that you can try this as well if you want to something new one, and I see this application is having a great revenue already. I think this guy is making like $10,000 per month just only with one application. You can start, for example, with your local Chamber of Commerce in your area, and then you can go to another areas and grow your network bigger and bigger and bigger. So, and with appsmoment you can make this easy one. We have a different platform, different templates for that to make this application successful. And just want to remind you why you need to choose appsmoment. It is firstly, you don't need any technical skills required. You don't need Mac computer. We do have like 50 templates and features trusted by over 3,000 developers, and this is growing very fast every single month. We try to provide best support on the market. We publish more than like 70,000 apps already. We provide monthly webinars. We do have unbranded previewers. We do, as you can see, provided unbranded push notification. And even I have very secret information only, please guys, only for you. Please don't share that too much. This is that we also, those who are selecting public plan, if you need it, we also provide unbranded application previewers. Let me show you what is this, that you will understand what I am talking about. For example, as you can see, this is our web previewer, yes, right here. But you can also test this application on our special iPhone and Android previewers. But this previewers, as you can see, are under our brand appsmoment, where you will put login and password information, and you can test on this application viewer. So again, my secret information is only for you guys, that if you need it, we can make this application previewers, but unbranded one under your brand. So it will be for you. So if you are working with offline companies, you can show them, and they can test the applications without publishing to marketplaces. You can send support tickets about us about that. So again, by the way, and also this information I also forget to say that we added even new pages. Let me show you by a real example. So, for example, if you do see that we have features, but what if you want something new one that doesn't exist at our platform, we don't have it, and we have a solution for that as well. If you scroll down right here at the bottom, as you can see, we do have two new pages types. This custom code page types. This native page and custom page. So you can create a page and edit its parameters for custom native pages types, develop it in SDK project, and also you can implement your own native Objective-C page. That means that you can speak with your programmer and they will write coding stuff, and you can insert here this coding stuff, and you will have that feature which doesn't exist in our system. But again, we are doing our best to provide new features, new pages every single month. To all of you who joined this webinar, I just want to go to the list of to your questions. I will try to open it right now. Hold on. Close. Okay, we have some problems here, as you can see. Okay, I will try to open another window with list of your questions. Okay, here you go. Okay, I see. I will start from the first one. There are like from Sweden, Finland, Canada, from France. Okay, here. Thanks. Really, it is nice to see all of you. Even привет. Somebody Vlad from New Jersey. Yes, hi. Okay, I'll try to find questions here. Okay, here you go to the first question from Boston. Maxim, I created an application for iPhone in your system, and iTunes Store keeps rejecting, say it doesn't use enough native ASO features. I don't know if I done something incorrectly or what I could change. I have 6 functions. Okay, can you give any insight, please? That is a very good question, guys. iTunes is a very difficult place to work with. Me personally, I do prefer to work with Android, but I understand that you want to put your application in iTunes. So, and also please understand that it takes time, like from minimum 5 days to get approval from iTunes, and usually it takes 8-10 days to get approval of your application. They are very carefully, they test your applications, and if something is wrong inside, excuse me, they reject your application. So we do, and we have a case studies when yes, your application can be rejected when they say that they don't have native ASO features. So my best recommendation is to go back, edit your application, and add some native page types. We do have like here. Right here, as you can see, this is native page types. So try to add as many as you can different native page types to your application and simply submit it again. Another question is this being recorded? I just got it in. Yes, as I mentioned, this webinar is recording, so don't worry about that. We will try to make this recording tomorrow so that everybody will get it. Another Rick Reggio from Georgia, United States. I have been having the same problem as Alicia. I'll send you email also. Thanks. Guys, you can send us also support ticket, and as I said, the best way here is to add native page types so you'll have less rejections from iTunes. Okay, let's go to another question. Good deal, Apple. Apple are difficult. Yes, I also agree that Apple and iTunes is easy to jump, but I understand that you want to have your applications to be inside iTunes. The main reason is that because I believe that people who go and who have iPhones and who have iPad, they have more money than Android users. So they are more willing to spend money inside your applications than Android users. Okay. Okay. Another question, how much for unbranded phone preview with custom logo? That is a very good question. You can send again a request about that to our support ticket system. We do charge one-time fee for our work to set up your unbranded previewers, which is $47, when you will get unbranded previewers, phone previewers for iPhone, iPad, Android, and Kindle device. What is the copyright law if I make application? What includes RSS feed on YouTube and podcast? I don't think that you will have any problems with that, because you are not using your own videos, you are not using your own material. You are getting this information from YouTube, where already those videos exist. So you are not violating any copyright. That is my opinion. Okay. Yelena from New Jersey, you told us about info applications and game. What about tools? Are they also difficult to market? Very good question. I don't think that there are too many competitors over there on the market. I do believe that they have less than game applications, but to develop tool application, it is really very not so easy one. It does takes a lot of time and funds from you guys. So I don't know, but I prefer to go with information applications. Does appsmoment support different ad networks like Push and AdMob? Paul from United Kingdom asked this question. Yes, we do support AdMob, as I mentioned. We do support IF from Apple network, and we do support RevMob network. But Push, we are not supported at the moment. We are in the middle of negotiation with them about inserting that to our network, and if everything will be fine, maybe within 1 month you will Push with us as well. Paste your email is too long. Do you have a developer forum example? If I want French translation, I can go to your forum to make contact. We don't have yet a forum developer yet. Maybe we will make it. This is actually the first time during all our months, during so many webinars, we got this request. Maybe because we have a not bad tutorial section, as I said, right here. Just situated right here. We do have a very good video tutorials. You if I'll try to open it. Okay, this is Firefox is not working. So let me open here. If you go to youtube.com/appsmoment, you can find recording from our previous webinar. You can find different videos from us, how to make and publish applications, and so on and so on. So we try to add. Is the push notification charge separate from the apps moment charge? No. Please try to understand that our platform, actually, we don't charge at all for your push notifications. Maybe that sounds ridiculous, but yes, when you are paying, you are choosing some package. As you can see, you are instantly getting unlimited push notifications. So you can send as many as you want. Anyway, guys, not so many platforms in the world where you can get unlimited push notifications. Usually, yes, you are paying for that, but we don't have that. I have been with business apps in the past. Are you guys going to cherry pick some of their stuff? They have an excellent platform, but very, very expensive. Hi Greg, thanks for coming to our webinar and for this question. Yes, we do know what is business apps. They are very nice guys, but firstly, they are very expensive, and secondly, guys, they don't have so few that we have. You cannot make so much application types like you can make with our platforms. I'm not trying to advertise here something, but I'm really honest here, and we try to make the best platform around the world where you can make everything in one place. We're trying to add some new pages also, which you have in business apps. So if you join us, I truly believe that you will be happy with. Do I need, Paul Gardner from United Kingdom, do I need my own Apple or Android license? Very good question, okay. This is yes and no, because you can publish applications with appsmoment to Android and to Apple with Apple license. We are not charging any extra fees. You can use it at any time. But if you want to publish your applications under your developer IDs on Apple or Android, then yes, you need to make. It just takes approximately 1 month to get approval from Apple for developer ID, and it's costing I think $99 per year. And Android license you are getting like almost instantly, and one-time fee is like $25. Can I do push notification without update? Yes, and yes. What is the difference for my customer? The difference is, for example, Bruce from United States. Very good question. For example, if you are making your offline customer, for example, let's use this one, which I already showed as example. This one. Let's say that you made application pizzeria for some your, I don't know, whatever pizzeria in your. It is situated under appsmoment account, yes. So if you want to send push notification, you need to click right here, yes. You don't want to, for example, to show the user that this application is situated. To go to this section, right? So we provide you another platform, unbranded one under your brand, where your user can log in and send push notifications without seeing any logos from appsmoment. And also, by the way, they can also schedule their push notifications. For example, they can send in 2-3 days some message to their users. I hope that does answer to your question. Yelena from New Jersey, thanks. Do you happen to have any tutorial on pricing the apps we create? Actually, I really don't understand correctly your question, Yelena. So if you don't mind, send us support ticket with your questions with more detailed information. We will be happy to answer to that. Hey, Reed from San Antonio, Texas. I have a client who wants all his businesses in one app. Is there a way to do that? He has 4 businesses. He wants a list. So his clients can choose what they want. Yes, that is possible. Why not? So, for example, here a square one will be, for example. Let me show you like some example how I will do that. I will create new applications. Let's, for example, even this one, you can use this one template. So for example, he has 4 types of business. So for example, this one will be number 1 business type, this is number 2 business, this is 3, 4th one. So, and if you go inside, there will be information about business 1, here about business 2, about business 3. Or here, tab 1, this is business number 1, tab 2, business 2, tab 3, business 3rd one, and the last one. So yes, that is possible. Is there a Facebook group, or is anyone interested in joining me to create a Facebook group? Dennis, thanks. Yes, we do have a Facebook page, which is, I will show you right now, facebook.com/moment. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, here you go. So you can join us here as well, and we will be very exciting to answer to your questions. New updates from us over there, new videos if you will have any over there. Okay, next question, Mohammed, can you talk about the new phone gap template? Thanks, very good question. I forgot to mention that. Okay, let me show what is this about. Back. And click here, edit pages. And well, you select add new page. There is right here, excuse me, yeah, here you go, phone gap. Enabled native features using web techniques. As I mentioned previously, that if you don't find any special features which you native page type, where you will insert programming Objective-C coding stuff from, and you will have that feature. But another way to do this is to use this phone gap. Where is this? Let me show you. Where is it? And to insert over there. As far as I remember, we have tutorial about that as well, which is right here, phone gap tutorial. So if you have problem with that, with inserting some features using phone gap page, shoot us an email and we will be happy to help you. Okay. I want to combine my apps with my Facebook offline business services, so Facebook group would be a natural. Great. I'm interested in number commerce model. Which template in appsmoment do I use? Guys, you can really use any template, because any template can be very easy to customize and change however you want. You can, I also want to show you that you do have some special template. I'll try to find it right now with the name directory. this one, business directory application, or you can use this one, social network. So it is up to you, and don't forget that each template is easy to customize, and you can add new pages at any time. Is there a difference in ownership if the application is published through you, again publishing it directly to Apple? This is very good questions from Gomez from California. Because when you do publish applications with our developer licenses, they have to be a free one. And if you want to have paid applications, for example, you want to charge some money, then you need to have your own developers' IDs. And that is the main difference between us using our developers' licenses and yours one. Nick from Georgia, United States. Actually, I received my Apple ID in 2 days, 3 months ago. Very nice, because when we started our business, it took for me personally 2 months. Maybe because we made as a company, we needed a company ID, so we needed to provide all documents and translations and so on and so on. Is it possible to create an ebook style application? Is asking. Very, very nice question. And yes, very easy to use it. You see, template where you can select and use this template, so you can. Very easy to make it, especially we do have special PDF page tabs. So the main, what you need is only you to have your ebook in PDF format. You will upload it to this template to our system, and then for establishing processes. So if you really do have your book already prepared, I think it will take maybe maximum 1 hour to make this application. What if I want a custom job done by experts? I choose to use you guys. What would you guys charge to develop an app for me? Greg is asking. Very good question, Greg. And really, it is very difficult for me to answer to your question, because I don't know what features do you want to have. We try to really to provide the cheapest prices on the market. So the best way will be here is to go to our support ticket, which is situated right here. Contact us, open a support ticket, which is right here, and or shoot us support email, so you can submit ticket here and provide more information, and we'll be able back to you. Paul Gardner from United Kingdom. Is there a separate charge to create a mobile website, and do you provide redirect scripts, and do you do installation for clients' website? Oh, very nice question. No, we don't charge any extra fee for mobile website. This is like a part of our prices right here. Which is plans and prices. So if you are choosing this price or this one, it is already inside. So we're not charging any extra one. About custom installations for your client, actually we never such request, but if you need it, maybe we will do that. But if you want us to do this yes will take some time from us, so it will be some extra fee for you. But please shoot us email or support, and we will be back to you. May read, thanks. I'm glad that you like our webinar. Do I need a separate server to keep file, or do they get stored in your servers? Gomez from Canada. Yes, you don't need any server or extra hosting from us, and all information is stored at our servers. And as I said, we have like thousands applications already, so so you don't need extra more. Bruce, Okay, this is very big one. Oh, very big one. Okay, so you're saying that what you need to get inside your applications to get approval. Yes, this is what I try to add as many as you want different native page types. Any tutorials on Kindle books? That is very good question from Greece, because we mostly making applications like applications for Android and for iPhone. And if you want your applications to be in Kindle Marketplace, you need to understand that this is going to be application and not a book. But you can transform your book, as I said, with our templates and with our system to application and again publish to Amazon Kindle Marketplace. So you don't need any maybe tutorials from us, but if you have any problems, send us a support ticket and we'll be glad to help you. Would our clients be able to update their own push notification analytics and website? And very good questions. That is why that we have a branded push notification system where they can update their own push notifications, or they can schedule their push notifications. About analytics, and we don't provide that yet. And about website, I'm not sure if you are said about mobile website, then yes, they can update it, because this is very easy to do that. Go to the tutorial section, read it, and they will be able to do it. And Dennis, I also have 3 ebooks ready formatted for Kindle. Yes, you can, as I said, upload your ebooks to applications and publish them to the Kindle Marketplace. So basically, I see that I tried to answer it to all the questions. Another question is the last one: how much would you charge for an app? Again, as I said, guys, if you want us to build the applications, you can see even right here we $9, but this is only when you are like ordering like 500 applications from us. Usually we are charging a little bit more than that, but we try to provide the best prices on the market. Send us support ticket or email and we'll be glad to answer to your questions. Thanks again to all of you jumping this webinar. I see really this place to join every guys from around the world who are passionate about application business. So thanks guys, and we are very happy to see you on our board, and we will do our best to provide new information. And tomorrow there will be a recording. So have a nice day and weekend to all of you. Bye for now.